Just Sawdust workshop. I am making a stool to sit on, but as you know, all materials are expensive these days, so I'm using these old cases, boxes, transport boxes, and when you want to see where they come from, you should watch the video before this one. It's all explained. And I've got some, I don't know, chrome kind of stuff that came from a little tray, like a serving card or something, which is on the attic, so it's all recycled stuff again. I think this will work, so now I'm going to take it apart again and sand it and make little shelves in it, and I don't know, just kind of see what else I can put in here, which would be handy if I move it around the workshop and then have some tools or whatever in here. So let's see what we can make of this. So this shop stool or storage cabinet combined is ready. Just some old crates in which I put tools that didn't have a a steady place in the workshop. They were just laying around, so that's in here now. A few saws and other stuff. Made a seat on it from an old leather jacket. Yeah, it works well. It's got everything nicely stored. For now I've got some water in here, and that's just because I don't have a connection in the workshop. So now I actually got a nice shop stool to sit on. It's a good height for my workbench, and well, whenever I need to think about the next project, I can have my coffee or still a little cigarette. I know it's not the best, but it's my only bad thing, the last one. So yeah, not the most interesting video maybe that I ever made, but reclaimed stuff, used old materials, and it actually sits really well. The upholstery with the leather jacket, yeah, surprisingly sits very good. So for now I would say, I didn't say this in all the other videos, the last videos, but do some woodworking, do some recycling. It's a nice way to spend your time, and see you in the next video with another project. At the logo.